Best Google Ads Tutorial for Beginners. You must have heard how businesses have seen significant success with Google Ads. Taking that first step seems like an easy choice, but many stop short when they see the requirements. But trust me, Google Ads work, and they can give you nearly instant results. But what are Google Ads? Google Ads is a pay-per-click system that allows your business to appear in search results when people look up information related to your products or services. In today's video, I'll tell you how you can use Google Ads to get more business visibility. So let's get started. I also have some bonus tips for you, so keep watching until the end. How do Google Ads work? Google's advertising system is like an auction, with a few minor differences. As an advertiser, you will choose any search terms you would like your ad to appear on, and set a maximum bid of how much you are willing to pay when someone clicks through on your ad. The amount of that bid will help determine how high up on the page Google places your ad. In Google Ads, the bids are secret, and the highest bidder doesn't always get the top spot. Also, factors like quality score determine which advertiser gets the edge. Your quality score is a combination of how well your landing page matches the search term you're bidding on, and how well you can serve what the user was searching for. So how do you get started with Google Ads? It's simple. You have to create your Google Ads account first, then some preparation to do with keyword research and deciding what makes good ad copy for your product or offer. The setup is relatively straightforward. Before starting, you will need a website, more precisely, landing pages on your website, keywords, ad copy, and headlines. Remember, keywords will be the building blocks of your ad campaign. For example, a business selling cakes for special occasions. Their keywords might include vanilla buttercream cake, red velvet cake, 3-tier cake, etc. Yummy. Keywords are not case sensitive, so pay more attention to spaces and plurals and avoid non-standard characters like and, at, percent, and asterisk. Start with the best keywords for your campaign because you pay for any click that your ad gets, and you want to match your ad to the most relevant searches possible. You can brainstorm keyword ideas and also use free keyword generators online to make profitable, effective keywords for your campaign. The next step is to write a strong ad copy. Once you are ready to create your ads, try strong ad copy messages that your competitors have tested. Now moving on to the landing page. High-performing ads gets customers to your site because you pay for them. That means to be successful overall, your ads need to be put on a robust and relevant landing page that delivers on what the ad promised. The good thing about the display URL is that it does not have to be the actual landing page URL. You can take advantage of this and use it to your marketing advantage by creating a display URL. Most sites keep the same domain in the display URL as in the actual destination URL, which is a good practice. Before I tell you about the next step, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. The next step is to adjust the default settings, because we usually accept default settings as the most straightforward path when starting something new. But in Google Ads, they are not always in your campaign's best interest and could cost you money, so don't go to the combo deal. Then, set your schedule, because the schedule setting is a budget stretcher. It will help you reach people at the right time. It will also start and end your campaign if you need to run your ads across specific dates. Coming to ad delivery or ad rotation. By this, you can run multiple ads for the same search. It will let you try new messaging or spread out what you want to say. Dynamic search ads are a unique setting for websites that may have different pages promoting the same or similar products or services. Google Ads serves up pages that it thinks are more relevant to the user search. Next is responsive search ads. where you pack the possible headlines and descriptions for an ad and give Google the flexibility to serve up different combinations. This can help you reduce the number of ad groups you manage by allowing Google to pick the best ad copy for each user. Remember that budget is critical. Power up your first 2 weeks by spending at a higher rate than what you have planned. This applies to both the total budget and cost per click. In this phase, Google is testing your ads and making sure that you won't just fizzle. They aim to put the most relevant ads in front of searchers, so they need you to hold up your end of the deal. This time frame of 2 to 4 weeks depends a bit on your daily budget. Now, on to the next step, seeing your ad data in Google Analytics. You can measure and improve your ad performance if you connect your new Google Ads account to your Google Analytics account. It will let you import metrics like bounce rate and pages per session into your Google Ads account. Just follow these steps to link your accounts. First, log into both Google Analytics and Google Ads with the same email address. You'll need the proper access for both tools. Next, you need admin-level access for Google Ads, so go to Tools and Settings and click Account Access to confirm. Next step, for Google Analytics, you will need Edit Permission. In Google Analytics, open Admin and then click on Property User Management. Do Edit, Read, and Analyze Access. While still in Google Analytics, go back to the Admin view, look down to the Product Linking section below Property, and choose Google Ads Linking. Next, you should be able to see your Google Ads account ID carried into the list with a checkbox. The next step is to check the box and continue. Name your account. Choose the views you'd like to pull data from. And finally, click Link Accounts to finish. Now on to the bonus tip. So, there are keyword tools to help you find more effective keywords for your campaign. I will tell you about them. Number 1. I have SpyFu. It finds the results from competitors who buy the core keyword and looks at similar keywords those sites buy every month. Number 2 is Ubersuggest. If you start with a root word like coffee, the tool serves up longer variations that might inspire new keyword ideas for you. You can ask the tool to suggest keywords tied to universal search types like shopping, YouTube, and news. Number 3 is Google Auto Suggest, where you type some of your keywords into Google and note the phrases that Google suggests. These suggestions are updated in real time and surely generate some traffic since they are based on actual user searches and not a word bank. So that's it for today, people. I hope you found the video helpful. Like and share it so others can benefit from it too. Subscribe to my channel to know about more ways to make money online. See ya!